Hello interesting people, Dimitri from Gracious Interests here. Today I will be answering a new question where it concerns, well, what is the blockchain database? Now in order to understand this question, or if you want to have more information before I'm going to answer this question, I'm going to refer to my own course, The Ultimate Guide to Cryptocurrency, available on Gumroad. Which will lay down the basics towards trading in cryptocurrencies as well as basic technical lessons. So let's begin. What is a blockchain database? Well, as you can see, this is a question I received through Quora, and the answer is actually quite straightforward as indicated on screen. A block, when talking cryptocurrencies, is nothing more than a line of information. The information being a serial number, which contains, is nothing more than information containing a serial number, the date of creation, transaction details, and a reference to the serial number of the previous block. Now, what does this imply? Well, it is best visualized. So, this is how a blockchain works. A wants to send money to B. Transaction is represented as a block, so it contains all the details. The block is being broadcast to every party out in the network, so to all nodes, all miners. 4. Network approves of the transaction, block is added towards the entire blockchain, and the transaction has been completed. Now, what is the blockchain database? Well, it is nothing more than a public ledger. The blockchain database is nothing more than the database which is being kept on storage on a miner's computer. It contains all different transactions being made. On a daily basis it gets updates naturally, by reason, well, there are tons and tons of transactions happening at each day. I'm not going to say at the same time, but on regular intervals. So as you can see in my description here, what is the blockchain database? Well, that a block in a blockchain is naturally a transaction entry, that the blockchain is nothing more than a series of transaction details, and that the blockchain database is actually nothing more than a ledger or a database of verified transactions. Blockchain database is often called a public ledger. Why? Well, I'm going to refer back towards here. Towards step 3, block is broadcast to every party in the network, which implies that the ledger itself is public. Simple as that. This was Dimitri from Gracious Interests. I hope you learned something new with this video. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.